Gentle ripples whisper where the sky meets the end. Chorus sings, soft and sweet. Birds fly the pond with their wings at their feet. You dance in the breeze on wings so light. In the morning sun, they take their flight. Birds at the door, a story to tell, of skies above and waters so well. Birds at the pond, they flutter and glide. In harmony, they can sing with pride. The heron stands with patience and grace. A kingfisher dives, a flash through space. The sparrows chirp and the robins sing, while the ducks float by as the lilies ring. They dance in the breeze on wings so light. In the morning sun, they take their flight. Birds at the note, a story to tell, of skies above and waters so well. Birds at the pond, they flutter and glide. In harmony, they can sing with pride. In the still of the dusk, when the day turns gold, the birds sing louder, their voices unfold. A symphony rising, soft and pure, of dreams on the wind forever to endure. Birds at the pond, but they're going to me, singing their song, the wild and free, that they know it takes out. Skies above and waters so well. Birds at the pond, they flutter and glide. In harmony, they can sing with pride. By the water where the willows bend, birds keep singing again and again.